Well, good morning everybody. Steve LG, Sustainability speaking. It's May 5th, 3 degrees Celsius on my balcony thermometer. To show you, I decided to put a clear garbage bag over top of the tomato cage. I tied it down with some baling twine. And that's protecting the seeds that I've started and the tomato sprouts that are there. Premier Ford has his heart and mind in the right place. He would like to see the garden centers open. However, the greenhouses that produce the stock, the product, probably don't have very much inventory to offer the garden centers this year. So hopefully you started your balcony garden seeds, and you might have a hard time finding seeds as the company that distributes them here in Thunder Bay hasn't been out yet. And those seeds should have been started probably at least near the end of March. I mean, you can try. Still have something growing. So I'd also like you to see that Steve LG does know what he's talking about when it comes to greenhouses. And here's a short video of my past experience. Here's the vegetables that we got so far. Enough. Racks that we got the other day. Still not enough. Just look down the greenhouse. More vegetables, but the expensive ones. Vegetables. Let's go walk down the flower aisle here. Annuals, perennials. Lots of flowers. This is a quick video because we gotta get to watering these flowers. We want water. Fuchsias. Strawberries. Marigolds, the hascap bushes. Jurassic begonias. Baskets I gotta push out. Peony, shrubs. All the baskets are out. Good. Vegetables. Put out the house caps like I asked. Very good. Thuya's nicely watered. Better get my nose today. This is looking good. But I feel mosquitoes. So I'm gonna get some bug spray. Where's the leaves in these guys? They need water. Oh, Mosquito City. Alright. There's the garden center, 2016. So I hope you enjoyed that video, everybody. Now you can see you're getting the voice of real experience. I do hope you subscribe for future videos. To the premiere, I don't know if the greenhouses and garden centers will be able to open. However, the barbershops and hairdressers probably could. And once again, I can use a haircut. Thank you for watching. Steve LG. Please subscribe to Sustainability Speaking.